In this video, I will tell you more about the FTMO robot that I'm currently using for FTMO challenges, and not just for FTMO but any prop firm challenges. And if you look at the trading objectives, I'll be using as an example of this video the 200k challenge, where we have maximum daily loss of $10,000, or this is 5%, and we have total maximum loss of 10%, or this is $20,000. And the current version of the robot I have developed with the FSB Pro. So if you look at my screen, you will see that it trades on M1 time frame. I'm using the envelopes and I enter long whenever the price touches the lower bands. I have confirmation on a hard time frame with the MACD indicator, and as well I have added the spread level pro, where you can set the maximum spread in points. So if you don't want to enter whenever there are news or volatility and the spread is above 50, for example, you can set it in the inputs. As well, I'm using stop limit, or in other words, I use stop loss of 30 pips and take profit of 60 pips, and in the inputs it is displayed as 300 points and 600 points. And I will show you the inputs of the expert advisor on MetaTrader, as I have it in one of my FTMO challenges at the moment. But if I show some more of the statistics, you would see that the maximum equity drawdown is 3.55%. The expert advisor executed over 200 trades for the last 6 months, or this is since the beginning of the year, which means that on average I would have about 34 trades per month, which is enough trading activity for 1 month. And the inputs I will export is with entry amount 2 and maximum position amount 6. I have added the option to add to the position, so whenever we have the price touching the lower band of the envelopes and we have consecutive same directional signal, it will add to the position, and you can control how much to add in total. So if you keep the default settings, it will open the first trade with 2 lots, and then it would add maximum 2 times, which will make it total of 6 lots. If you have 6 open lots in 200k challenge account, you will see that the maximum loss sits at about negative $2,000, or in other words, that is just 1% of the account. So this is like the low risk settings in the account that you can have. And if I show you the expert advisor now on my 200k challenge and I right click over the properties, you'll notice that I have the very same inputs. First amount entry 2 lots, maximum position amount 6. So if the expert advisor adds 2 times to the position, all in all it will be 6 lots. And if the EA meets the stop loss of 30 pips, the total loss would be 1%. So it's up to you with how much you would be trading and how much you will increase the lots. If you don't want to add to the position, you can set it to, let's say, 6, and then maximum position amount will be 6 as well. So it will enter just 1 time with 6 lots, and again, if it hits the stop loss, the loss will be just 1% in the account. And if you are a more aggressive player or risky type of trader, you can enter, for example, with 24 lots, which means that if you hit the stop loss, you will lose about 4% of the account, but you would profit about 8% in the account, which means that in 2 consecutive trades profitable ones, you may pass the challenge, but I will leave it on you. I will export the expert advisor with the default settings, and I would leave it on you to decide with how much you want to be trading according to the stop loss and the take profit. Of course, you can change any of the parameters of the expert advisor. That is why I decided to share the strategy behind the robot, which is vital when you are doing algorithmic trading in the first place, so we can have a realistic expectation of the performance. Plus, you can use this EA on multiple accounts. There are no any limitations and restrictions, and I hope you will find it useful.